Are you new to trading or maybe struggling with your current trading? Maybe you're wondering if it's possible to trade at all with a small account or even while working a full-time job. I've actually been in the trading industry for over a decade now, and I started learning how to swing trade stock options while I was still working a full-time job as an engineer. And now today, years later, I now teach others how to analyze charts to find trade setups, how to choose the best strategies to trade, and how to become more independent traders. How? Well, that's what we cover in this series. Ways to help you start trading with confidence, trading with purpose, and trading with insight. All right, welcome back to Trading with Insight. This is Deneen James. I'm a stock options analyst. I was trading for several years. Now my main focus is just helping a lot of new traders, a lot of struggling traders, just helping them to be able to trade with a little more confidence and really have the right kind of insight with their trading. So I do coaching, I do training, I do consulting, really just helping people with their overall trading. So today we are on question number 6. What does trading with insight mean? Like what does that even mean? So trading with insight is just what we call the process that we are using. So when I first started trading, I struggled. I really struggled a lot. And all of the strategies that I was learning, because I was on YouTube, I was here, I was there, I was reading this and just trying to gather as many different pieces of information as I could and trying to piece them together. And what I didn't realize was that I was taking, every video and blog post and article that I would, get some information from. Basically, I was grabbing a puzzle piece from different puzzles. Every time I would get a new piece of information, it was a new puzzle piece from a different puzzle. And I was trying to piece together all of these pieces together, not realizing that they were all from different puzzles. So that's my analogy for today. Anyway, that's what I was doing. I was learning and I was trading based off of these strategies that I was learning. But a lot of the strategies were very much opinion based and they were not so much data driven. And so I was using moving averages and momentum indicators and volume indicators and so on. And I was using all of these things to form an opinion. And it was a very stressful way to trade. And so some of you may be able to relate. Maybe you're just finding it very stressful to continue trading. And so I was literally placing trades based off of my emotions and what I was feeling and what I thought the market was going to do, instead of just letting the market tell me what it was likely to do. Does that make sense? So, needless to say, it was very frustrating. It was very overwhelming. And so much so that I eventually just stopped. And I thought to myself, how do I take my opinions? How do I take my emotions out of my trading? How do I let the market tell me what it's likely to do? And that's really when I developed my own trading process that I call insight trading, also known as trading with insight. And so this process of trading with insight, right, to finally answer the question, this process of trading with insight is taking the insight, right, the information, the insight that the chart gives me, and then trading based on that insight, right? So what is the insight? Well, the insight is simple. It's win rates. How much is this winning, right? That is it. That is the insight of all insights. And if I can see that stock XYZ has a high win rate for bullish trades recently, then I've just gained some valuable insight that I should be trading bullish setups on this stock. Does that make sense? If I see that stock ABC has a high win rate for bearish trade setups, then I now have some great insight telling me that I should be trading bearish trades on that stock. Does that make sense? That's your insight. Super simple, yet so valuable. So how exactly do you get that insight? So I've designed, for me, it's just been game changing since I've used it. This tool called the Insight Indicator. And it actually finds and it calculates these win rates for you. So you literally just look to see which setups have had the highest win rates lately, and you choose to trade them. That's it. Look to see which trades have had the highest win rates for their setups lately, and then choose which ones you want to trade. Super simple. That's how we do it and that's how we use it, right? And you don't even have to look at your charts at all if you don't want to. Obviously, if you want to look to get a better edge, you can do that. And we actually teach you how you can do that as well, how you can do some visual technical analysis as well. And so you can get this indicator, plus you can get our targets indicator, which complements it. Plus you can get our full training course on how to use options to actually trade using these indicators. Plus, you can get our fully loaded chart layouts. There's just an entire package. Our entire system is something that we like to offer to you all. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, check it out over at DeneenTrades.com, and you can check out our training. You can also check out some of the other things that we have there. So that pretty much sums up this episode. What does trading with insight mean? Well, for us, again, it's just a process that we've developed and created ourselves, and that's what we call it, trading with insight or insight trading. And it's basically just having that insight, knowing what the win rates are, and then trading based off of those win rates. So again, hopefully that helps, and we'll see you guys in the next episode.